Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is February 22nd, 2016. What I'm going to show you here is an ETF that I think every trader in the world needs to follow. This ETF will very often foretell market moves before they happen. And one ETF I'm going to show you here is called the Semiconductor Market Vectors Semiconductor ETF, better known as the SMH. And what you're going to see here is that if you take a look in December, you're going to see in early December this topped out and started to move lower. Now if you just fast forward and take a look at the S&P 500, what you'll see here in early December, this also topped out. And even when you were rallying up here, if you go back and look at the end of December of 2015, what you'll notice is that the SMH was pretty much giving you the same formation, but you were coming into heavier resistance levels. Now when we look at the SMH again, you had a sensational bounce really since the 11th of February, and it's moving up into the double top area from early February. You also have a 50-day moving average. But when you look at this level right here, around 52.50, 52.75, that's where you got to say, hey, this is going to be just a ton of resistance. So if the SMH starts to move down, which I think it has a very good chance of doing, that will tell us that the markets are going to start to move down as well. The semiconductor index has always been a precursor for the NASDAQ composite. So if you even take a look at the NASDAQ, which is highly correlated to technology, you'll see that the NASDAQ put a little top in early December and a lower high right in late December. But look at the semiconductors. If you go to the SMH, you're going to see that they were putting in lower lows, and that was really foretelling that the market wanted to come down, especially the NASDAQ, which is a tech-heavy index. So, again, watch the SMH for major resistance levels. You're going to have resistance coming up at this 50-day moving average, but the real resistance will be around 52.50 to 52.75. That's when the semis are going to hit a wall of resistance, and that could be foretelling of the future of this market. So again, keep this on the radar. I think it's one of the best indicators out here. Again, you always want to watch the semiconductors, especially if you're looking at the overall market, especially when you're looking at the overall technology stocks that are in the S&P, in the NASDAQ composite. All right, I'm going to leave it here, short and sweet. If you want to come over and trade the SMH or anything else alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to our research center. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. You'll also get our No Hype Live broadcast where you get to come in and ask us questions about the market. We hold those twice a week, and traders get an open forum and access right to me and the people here at In The Money Stocks. You also have all of our cycle work, which will be given in our nightly video setup. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to that research center. You'll see everything there. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.